Greetings and welcome. Today, we will be learning how to generate a PDF from a Microsoft Word document that includes a table of contents with clickable links that directly lead to the corresponding content page. Additionally, we will discuss some useful tips for creating this type of document in Word. To get started, open a new Word document. We will begin by creating a cover page with a document title in an intense quote style from the Styles menu, which we will center a line on the page. Next, we will add a new page. For this, simply press the Ctrl and Enter keys simultaneously. It will create a new page for you. Assume that we need to develop a documented procedure for our company. In this case, we will add a document introduction. To add header style, first, select the Apply Styles option from the Styles tab. From New Window, choose Heading 1 inch as the style name, which will be our main title. And I will add a header number. To generate some random text, I will use a formula method along this video. For this, type equal, rand, followed by the number of paragraphs, and sentences in parentheses. Then close the parentheses. Press Enter to create the content. Moving on, let's add some main titles to our document. To add a subtitle under a main title, use the appropriate heading style number. For instance, if you want the subtitle to be under the main title, select the heading style number accordingly. In our example, the title Production Manager is a heading 2, so we will use heading 3 for the subtitle Foreman, since it falls under the Production Manager. Repeat this process to create all the necessary main titles and subtitles until the content is complete. If you have extra blank pages in your document, you can easily remove them by adjusting the height of the header or footer. To do this, simply click and drag along the vertical ruler until the header or footer height is reduced to the desired size. Then, press the backspace key on your keyboard until the blank page is removed. Now, we will format the headings and subheadings in our document. Microsoft Word provides a convenient feature that allows us to format all the titles at once. To do this, we will use the Modify option from the Apply Styles window. First, select the heading styles you want to modify, then click on the Modify button. From the Modify Style window, choose the Format options such as the font name, style, size, and color. Finally, make sure to check the Automatically Update option. This will save the formatting in the Word document and automatically apply it whenever you add a title with the same heading style in the future revisions of the document. As you can see, all the titles with heading 1 style are now automatically formatted. We will repeat this process for the subheadings by selecting them one by one. This feature saves time and ensures consistency in formatting throughout the document. Excellent. We have now completed the content pages for our document. The next crucial step is to add an automated table of contents. It is recommended to have a separate page for the table of contents. To create a new page, press the Ctrl and Enter key simultaneously. Now, we have a dedicated page for the table of contents. Next, navigate to the References menu, and select the Table of Contents option. Choose the first or second option, depending on how you want the title of the content page to appear. This table of contents page is now linked to our content pages. You can press the Control key on your keyboard to access the link. Suppose, if you need to add an additional title to the document, simply use the heading style method we discussed earlier. Once you have added the new title, click on the Table of Contents page and select the Update Table option. You will be prompted to choose whether to update only the page numbers, or the entire table. Choose Entire Table and click OK. According to the heading style we defined, the new title will be automatically added to the table of contents. This feature saves time and ensures that the table of contents remains up to date with any changes made to the document. Now that we have added headings, and created an automated table of contents, the final step is to save the document in PDF format. To do this, click on the File menu and select the Save As option. Then, choose the file type as PDF and click Save. The file will be opened in a PDF reader. If you hover your mouse over the table of contents, you will be able to access the content titles immediately through the link. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please click the like button on this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to receive more useful content in the future. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day.